Thank you for visiting my visual tour today. If you have questions or would like to schedule an appointment to personally tour property on Lake Wedowee, call Terry Norton at 404-317-5120. We work hard for our clients. This is a beautiful, new custom-built maintenance-free home in Crappie Cove subdivision on Lake Wedowee with 1.9 acres. This ideal open lake floor plan offers 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on the main level. The master suite is spacious with a master bathroom with a custom tile shower. The kitchen and family room are open for your family's enjoyment. This chef's kitchen offers upgraded knotty Alder cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless appliances and a large eat-in island. The terrace level has a nice-sized kitchen with granite countertops with a eat-in bar. The family room is huge, that the kids will love. There are 2 bedrooms and a full-size bathroom with a tile shower and a half bath for your family and guests. The large deck is great for entertaining and enjoying awesome lake views. This flat lot makes it an easy walk to the stationary covered dock with 2 boat slips and an enormous sun deck. This home is located in a large protected cove near Wedowee Marine South.